Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Haugen. Today we're going to work on lesson 3 of our application problems. So be sure that in front of you have your pencil and your white math packet. So on lesson 3, the story says, markers come in packs of 2. If Jessie has 6 packs of markers, how many markers do we have in all? So this one gives us an A, B, C task to do. So if we start with task A, it says draw groups to show Jessie's packs of markers. Well, when I look back up at my story, I see that Jessie has 6 packs. So we're going to start there. We're going to start with 1 pack of markers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not sure why I made those overlap, so I need to fix those because that's kind of weird. Going to redraw those groups. Okay, now that I have 6 groups, now I need to figure out how many she had in each. And it tells me at the top here that markers come in packs of 2. So in that pack, she got 2 markers. In that pack, she got 2 markers, and so on. So go ahead and draw that on letter A in your application packet. And please pause the video if you need more time. Letter B says, write a repeated addition sentence to match your drawing. Well, when I look at each group, I see the number that's repeating is 2. So I have the first 2 and the next 2. And if you need to cross out or put a little check mark or a little X next to the group that you've done, like right here, I can just do like a line, like a little X. Okay, I did that third one. There's my fourth one. Plus another 2, there's my fifth one, plus there's my sixth one. Okay, so now that I've done all of those, there's my repeated addition sentence, and I'm going to go ahead and put an answer. So I'm either going to count the individual tally marks that I made, or I'm going to skip count. So skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's my repeated addition, and I even went a little step farther and wrote out the answer. The last part says it says group add-ins, and the add-ins are all of these numbers that we added together. Group add-ins into pairs and add to find the total. So we skip counted to find the total. Another strategy that you could use is to group some of these numbers together. For example, let me change my color of pen here. If I group those together, I know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And then I'm going to add, and I know that this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is another 6. So one way to find your total is to group those numbers together to make it a little easier, and you still get the same total of 12. All right, there is lesson 3. I will talk to you guys soon.